So this is the first trial of the machine. Everything seems, there's a funny little squeak sound that's coming about.
The bearings you don't have.
No, it's not the bearing. The bearing's been going for a couple minutes. It's coming from within the pulley. I don't know what the problem is. I have to wire brush that. We'll see if that makes it go away. But everything seems to be together and working and running. This end of it, at least, with the spindle's very smooth. And I have it hooked up so that hand turning raises it, and hand turning lowers it with a fine feed.
Dad, I think it's where your band connects.
Right.
That's the time.
Yeah, I think so too. It's where it hits the bottom and the top. That's
Yeah.
what the squeak is.
Hold on a minute.